Manmachine Works, the pioneer of cleaning business in India since 1987, brings to you an ecological solution of washing and polishing cars. With Steamjet FX-1D from MS Steamjet Incorporated from South Korea, market leaders and patent holders since 1998. Today, water is a scarce commodity, and it is the need of the hour to save water with the number of cars increasing on the road every day. Steamjet offers a perfect solution. Steamjet uses only 6 to 8 liters of bottled RO water to wash and polish the whole car with almost zero residue. Steamjet saves electricity by running on only 200-watt electricity and consumes only 1 liter of diesel compared to 3 liters by conventional steam car wash machines. This means if your workshop uses Steamjet for 5 hours a day, you will save more than
Rupees 2.5
besides cleaning and polishing in one action over conventional steam wash machines. It takes only 8 to 10 minutes to clean and polish a car, and this patented machine uses a burner technology instead of boiler technology by conventional machines, which ensures safe and explosion-free steam system that reduces preheat time to 1 minute, then 4 to 5 minutes with the boiler machine. Our Steamjet machines are made for Indian conditions, as they offer wet steam with possibility to adjust humidity to clean those dirtier cars faster. Our Steamjet model, FX-1D, comes with single and double hose models, meaning that in double hose model, 2 operators can simultaneously work on a car or 2 different cars. Our standard machine comes in stainless steel with 10-meter steam hose, 21 liters water tank, 6.5 liters fuel tank, and wax tank 6.5 liters. The Steamjet is a self-diagnosis machine. The digital panel on machine gives prompt alarm to customers when there is less water in machine, less diesel in machine, wax shortage in machine is overheating, ignition checkup required, and 4 more such warning signs, making this a truly operator-friendly machine. The amazing fact about Steamjet is that it takes only
33 rupees
per car wash cost as shown below. Our steam machines are sold and serviced at 56 locations across the country and supported by a net
helpline number 825-2300400.
So, what are you waiting for? Call it
825-2300400
for a demonstration and see the man-machine difference. www.manmachineworks.com